2-ingredient angel food cake recipe. Got my angel food cake mix. Got my angel food cake mix with my pie filling. And then I'm adding water this time. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we'll see. So here's my experiment. I'm gonna try it in these little, or big, jumbo muffin liners. We're gonna throw these in the oven and see if it works. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. We have quick and easy recipes your family will love to help you get in and out of the kitchen fast. Please visit us at livingonadime.com. It's 25% off. Here is my jumbo ones. I got maraschino cherries. Oh no, I didn't get them with the stems. Oh shoot. Oh well. The stems would have been cuter, but that's okay. Okay, so then I got my Cool Whip. Okay, so then we're gonna put a cherry. Oh. Okay, that looks delicious. Delicious?
Really good.